Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the sizzix bracelet movers and shapers. It comes with two, a small and a larger one, as well as this new snap set that I got with the pliers, the snap fasteners. Because of course you're going to need this if you are making bracelets to, snap them. And these are the ones that I made. I made two sets. You guys, look at these. These are super cute and sparkly. I just love them. And like I said, the good thing about it is they snap. That is all that these are. And these are this is the smaller size. But look at that. I thought that was super cute. You guys, I just had to get it. Had to get it, had to get it, had to get it. And you can embellish these any way you like. You guys, super cute. I think this size would be more for like a kid, and then the bigger size would be more for an adult, because even though these fit, it was like a little, looks like a little tight, not gonna lie, a little tight. So let's go ahead and get up into making these bracelets. Alright, so as you can see, I have my two sets of bracelets here. I've got my these little shiny things. I've got my glitter sets that I'm going to be doing. I also have my snaps, or my fasteners. So I'm going to go ahead and do the holographic first. I'm going to do this one. So let me get my pins out for that. Okay, now when it comes to doing the snaps, you need 4 to each, each bracelet that you're doing. You're going to need 2 pins that look like that. They're going to be the same. And then the other 2 that you need are going to be the fasteners. And one of these is called the male, which is this one. And then this one is called the female fastener or snap. So you need to make sure that you got 2 of these and that you got the male and female. Okay, now what I'm going to do first is go ahead and fold it and line up my edges, and then I'm going to take my tool that came with the pliers, and I'm just going to poke a hole all the way through where I want my snaps to be at. And that is pretty much it. Now that you got your 2 holes, you are now ready to go ahead and start applying your snaps. So you're going to go ahead and put this one in first. So just go ahead and poke that one through. And then at this point, you can go ahead and put the male or the female, whichever one you want to put. Now you need your little pliers. And you're going to rest it pretty much down in this black thing right here. And then you're just going to squeeze as hard as you can. And then when you let go, it is done. That little point that's on there pretty much got smashed in, and that's what is holding it together. So when you do the other snap, you want to make sure that you do not put it on the same side. You guys, the very first one I did that, and look at that. Of course, it does not snap onto each other, so please don't make that mistake. So before you put the other snap on, just make sure you act like you're going to snap it so that you know how to do the other one. So the other one now goes underneath. Oh, put that on backwards. Gonna do it just like that. Take your pliers again, rest the button down on the black part, and then squeeze as hard as you can. And that is pretty much done. That is the first bracelet. Look at that. And you can put embellishments on this. You can put whatever you like. That is done. And there we go. I finished both sets, and the snaps are, they work. Easy, simple. Like I said, you can leave these as is. You know, you can sell them as is, or you can even embellish them, put some more stuff on them if you like. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.